Like I did. Ribbed crop tee, kaupapa earrings, my kaupapa tee, Adidas, lol, gym hack, everything I need. Yeah. The day in our lives, thank you so much.
I found what I need.
Okay, cool. Like, add value or make it better. I would maybe just change this font.
I thought that was Jesus. I was like, that absolutely is not. I mean, that could be a Jesus. And we'd be shooting 17th to 18th, 19th.
Anxiety.
Anxiety, somebody's watching me.
Also be an opportunity potentially to get some more sponsors on. 1,000 people come to the festival. Our biggest ever audience. We actually smashed our target.
Alright.
Every little drink will laugh and
Turn up and then get my workout on.